Hello students, thank you for choosing Santa Rosa Junior College. This is a quick tutorial on how to register for classes using our new system, Banner. The first thing we need to do is go to our homepage, which is santarosa.edu. And from here, we're going to go to the login, hover it, and select Berkeley Hub. That will bring you to this page, SRJC login portal. Please go ahead and put your username, which is your student ID number starting with the capital S, 00, followed by 6 more numbers, and then please write your password. Once you do that, you'll be able to log in to be in your Berkeley Hub. To know that you're in your Berkeley Hub, it will look something like this. And these are all called cards. Go ahead and select your student registration and records card and select Open Student Dashboard. Once you're here, you're going to select the first bullet point, Browse, Plan, and Register for Courses. Then you're going to have a couple of options, and the option that we want is going to be Register for Classes. Click on it. Then you're going to be asked to select the semester you want to register for. And in this case, it's going to be fall 2026. Press continue. And then it's going to bring you to this section where it's asking you what classes you want to register for. Under the subject, I am going to type Child Development. It appears by itself. I select it. And the class I know is number 10. So it's Child Development 10. And I'm going to click Search. After I click search, it's going to give me a bunch of classes that are available to me. In this case, there's 19 classes, and then you just select the class that best fits your schedule. And then you're looking at Child Development 10, just to make sure that we have the right one. It's very important to know which is the CRN number that you're registering for. If you want to do another, and when you're ready to register, select the class. Please make sure that you minimize the screen. And over here on the right-hand side, there's an Add button. Go ahead and select the class that you want. I'm just going to go ahead and select this class, CRN 71358. Click Add. And at the bottom, actually, you cannot see it. At the bottom, there's going to be another option. All the way to the bottom, just keep moving your cursor until it gets to submit the button. Click on it. And if it turns green and it says register, you have been successful. If it's red, like this case, it says that this means that this class actually is full and I'm going to be on the wait list. So if that is the case, I am going to select waitlisted and I'm going to click submit. And it actually should now be, I should be able to register for this class. And let's see what it says. There it is. I'm waitlisted. I am going to select another class. I'm going to click the search again button. And in this case, I'm going to click counseling. And I know the counseling class that I'm looking for is counseling 6. Search. Once again, choose the class that you want. On the right-hand side, there's an Add button. Sometimes if it doesn't show, it's because the screen is too big. So you want to minimize the whole screen until it shows. There it is. I'm going to select this class 7104. Click Add. Once again, after you click Add, go to the bottom of the page. There is the class that I'm looking for. Click Submit. And let's see what happens. Still thinking. There it is. I'm registered. And with that, I'm going to go back to my registration option. I'm going to select View Registration Information. Select the semester. This is not summer 2026. It's fall 2026 what I'm looking for. There, the classes are right there. And with that, you will register for classes.